Hi, this is Chris with Haven Lighting. Today we're talking about image view, which is one of my favorite features of the app. What image view allows you to do is graphically represent your lighting system on your property. You can have multiple images, so I'm going to flip through a couple images here so you can see the entire property. You can have front yard, backyard, side yard, completely all controlled with image view. The name of the lights don't matter anymore. I can individually control the lights. I can control them all at once, all from image view. So I'm just going to click this right light here. I'm going to change this to red, and you will see that the light will turn red over here behind me, and it's graphically represented as red on my app. So no matter where I am in the world, I can see if my lights are on, if they're off, what colors they are, all represented from image view. The other thing image view allows me to do, which is a great feature, is really easily set up scenes. So scenes are the ability to set up a multicolor scenario to where, let's say red and green for Christmas. So I set up red and green for Christmas. I do it all in image view. I don't even have to be at my property. I know exactly what that's going to look like, and I can just save scene. And then with one touch of a button, be able to create that scene or schedule it anytime I want year round. With the Haven app, you are able to use image view to control all of your lighting systems. So no matter the technology, no matter how many controllers you have on property, no matter which system you have, whether it's X Series, 9 Series, 9 Series Pro, it can all be controlled with image view with the app, which is a great feature. It doesn't matter what kind of system you have from Haven, all controlled together, one app. You hit play on a scene, everything works together. It's a great feature, check it out.